The program, which has 3 series, including Promoting Igbo Culture, Standardization of Traditional Marriage or Igbo Nkwunwanyị, and Understanding Tradition, Igbo Spirituality or Agu and Shimmadu, was tagged Kanyitualu, Asusu, Omenala na Odinani Igbo. While speaking during the event, Commissioner Mbanefu underscored the need to enhance and revive Igbo language, culture and tradition so that it will not go extinct, adding that Governor Willoughby Obiano is pleased in seeing that youth activities in the state blossoms.
It's something that we should all, as Igbo people, Ndigbo, put hands together to drive this sort of activity. For all it takes, Igbo language is something that we will never allow to go extinct.
In a speech, the director, Anambra State Library Board, Dr. Nkechi Udeze, who spoke on the importance of library in promoting Igbo language, stated that library plays active role in cultural promotion and preservation through the acquisition of variety of information materials on the local culture and tradition of the people, as well as also record the cultural activities of the people which are stored and preserved for posterity. In another presentation, the traditional ruler of Ifitedunu, Igwe Dr. Emeka Iluno, and the Crown Prince of Akunubi Kingdom, Dr. Makjinja Ibeneme, whose message is centered on promoting traditional marriage for it to be certified like other forms of marriage, and the importance of Igbo rights in defining Igbo-ness in the computer age, stressed that couples should be given certificate of marriage during their traditional marriage. They argued that Igbo culture is one of the best and richest all over the world, but the Anglicization by the colonial fathers did more harm than good.
The rest of their relation, their grandparents, their cousins, how they are suing.
Earlier in their opening speeches, the managing director of Anambra Broadcasting Service, Chief Ushenwora, and the initiator of Ozioma Odinani, Mr. Chukwubudike Ubuaja, who were the sponsors of the event, stressed that non-promotion of language is a common problem which is affecting both Igbo culture and tradition, adding that every community in Igbo land should embrace and promote Igbo language as it will help in the development of their culture.
Like I said, government,
the inspiration behind this is the need for us to reinvent ourselves, to break ourselves from mental slavery. We feel that every nation that is moving forward in this world are those who have held on to their culture.
Other speakers included the Managing Director, Anambra Newspapers and Printing Corporation, Sashuka Nnabuife, the Treasurer, Ogbako Odinani Worldwide, Chief Ikenna Nwachukwu, the Founder, Relief Pitch International, Enugu, Mrs. Chinemerem Anyi, and Prince Ifeoma Mmebe Ojiako, and many more. The event was capped with discussions on the most effective ways of reviving Igbo culture, as well as drama and debate in Igbo language. In Oka, Emmanuel Shibata, ABS News.